Okay, we are getting to our technical experts in just a bit. Just watch the SGX Nifty. It started off with a good 0.4% gain and has now receded just a bit, not a great deal. So still a green start, it appears, if you look at the SGX Nifty. But before we get to our technical experts, listen to an exclusive conversation our colleague Nisha Pudar had with the Lupin CFO, Ramesh Swaminathan. Lupin says that the price pressures in the US market is easing. Ramesh Swaminathan is actually talking about the outlook of the quarter ahead. So just listen to that conversation.
The first two quarters have been pretty lackluster when it comes to America. We do believe the third quarter would be much better than the second quarter for a few good reasons. The first being, the kind of price erosion that we saw in the past, I think it's behind us. There's a lot more price stability. In fact, in certain molecules, we are actually looking at some price increases. The second part is that the top three companies in the US, which included Mylan, Teva, and Sandoz, they've been sharing part of their portfolio. Right. So a lot of the other companies from India have also been beneficiaries, including us. Yeah. And third is, it is going to be the flu season, and to that extent, we would have, better sales from some of our cephalosporin products. And of course, there has been a pickup of demand for certain other products also. Right. So for all those reasons, we believe the third quarter would be certainly much better than the second quarter.
Right. While you say that price pressure has been easing, but you have particularly mentioned the US market. How about the India business for Lupin?
India is business as usual as far as I'm concerned. There are dark clouds on the horizon in terms of an ever-expanding list of essential medicine, the threat of generics at some point of time and all of that. But right now it's business as usual, but it's tough all the same because a lot of these fixed dosage combinations have been banned and all of that. Not that we are impacted hugely by it, but as far as we are concerned, we are pretty okay.
All right. But your outlook for the India business in the short term?
It's pretty good, yeah.
All right. And when it comes to Pithampur facility of yours, you got a warning letter there. What is the status and what are the remedial measures being taken?
Both Pithampur and Goa, we had a warning letter, and this is about a year and a half old now. We've been working on it for the last several months, so to speak. We have been working with, in fact, top consultants, Lupin consultants and the like, to actually get this remedied. And since then, we've been giving periodic updates to the FDA. We've already invited them to come and look at the facilities. It's a question of time, and we do believe that by the end of this fiscal, it should be sorted out.
Okay, so that looks like pressures are easing in the pharma space with price pressures in the United States easing.